duster extender, and you'll dump your old duster. But don't worry, he'll find someone else. Swiffer 360 Duster Extender cleans high and low with thick all-around fibers that attract and lock up to 2 times more dust than other duster. Swiffer gives cleaning a whole new meaning, and now Swiffer Duster refills are available with a fresh scent of guinea.
We're surprising people with a different way to get protein.
Hey guys, want some cereal?
Hey, Bambi.
Kashi Go Lean cereals with as much protein as an egg.
Where's your bone?
With crispy
Where's your
crunch and
bone?
wild berries.
Where's your bone?
Everybody needs
Get your bone.
protein, so try
Where's your
to treat
bone?
yourself and start your day with
Where'd your bone go? Where's your bone?
Kashi Go Lean cereal.
Where's your bone?
7 whole grains.
Where's your bone, Bam Bam?
As my family's chief purchasing officer, I get paid to shop. I simply start at ebates.com and I get paid for every purchase I make at Ebates Big Fat Check. I love my job.
Join free now and get a $10 bonus.
Everyone loves surprise parties.
So last week
Bam Bam, where's your bone?
friend Lizzie.